Alright, it's recording!
It says it. That's fine. Because it's too lazy. You just improv with. I see the...
Negroes!
Hold on a second.
Where's the money? Where's the money?
There's actually one actually shoots. I want you to do that. There's something in it. Okay. What is it? It's just improv with like just these two frets from like 2 to 3 and 0. Okay. More subtle. Okay. Have you listened to the recording of it? Yeah, just subtle. Alright. Is it recording right now? Yep. I have to put that down. Sit down. And now. That's recording? Yeah, it's recording. Where is it? We can edit it. Ah! Okay. Where's on a power line? Wait till the first chorus to start.
Don't sit on the box. You told me to sit on the box.
I just sit on the chair and take the box. Wait for the first chorus to start doing the outgoing. That's why you're so...